This is the Yamaha XSR 900 GP, quite a mouthful, and think of it as a hark back to Yamaha race bike. That's what it is. We've got R1 style, R1 superbike style calipers, so changing brake pads is pretty straightforward. Very bright and colourful, nice racing colours, LED lights. CP3 engines in Yamaha, so triple. Again, this is about the past. They had a lot of box sections at the back because that was the engineering of the day. Nice swing arm. And this is all about the past as well. Pretty simple controls. Cruise control, different modes to choose from, fuel maps, indicators, and that's pretty much it. TFT display. It's nice. It is nice. Control from